What's going on, everybody? I just got this new fitness workout tracking book from Amazon that I thought I'd do a quick review on. I'll link it in the description below. This book is pretty cool. It has everything that you need to help reach your PRs, to reach your fitness goals, and just to be better at the gym. First of all, has a nice camo looking cover to it. Nice satin feeling to the cover. It says fitness log book on here. The dimensions for this book is about 9 by 6 compared to a piece of paper. It's much smaller than it, as you can tell right here. Okay, so this size is very convenient for taking it to the gym. It's nice that you can just toss it into any of your bag, your gym bag, as you can see here. Nice drawstring backpack right here that I use for the gym. Nice and convenient, you got plenty of space still just to toss it in the bag. Bring a pen, bring a pencil with you. You can write in this book as you need to. Alright, so let's take a look inside. So what do we have here? We got the name, your name, the date that you're working out on, the time it starts, the time you end. So it's cool that you have the name section, just in case you have a training partner, a lifting partner that you go with the gym with. You guys can just use the same book to track. Pages are nice, seems easily writable on with either pen or pencil. Double-sided. So back to the sections, we got what? Warm up, time, maybe how long you do your warm up for, some notes that you could write about. You got what? 1, 2, 3, 4 sections for warm up. You need that. I mean, if you do different kind of warm ups in one workout, you got 4 sections to write in stretches that you do. Time, again, any side notes that you have. And here we get down to the exercises part, okay? We got what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 sections to write 11 different exercises in that you do. We got 4 sets each. How many reps column, how much weight you're pushing. Each column all has that. So that's nice, okay? So it's good to kind of, however your workout is, however you train, you have 4 sets you can write in. If you do more than 4 sets, just take up another room, right? You can use another row. So again, if you're doing less than 11 exercises, take up another row just to keep it all in one day worth of work here. And then at the bottom, we got a cardio section. If you do cardio at the end of your workout, or if one of the days is just your cardio day, just keep track of it. You got time, distance or how long you're doing your cardio for, your pace, if you're running or anything, and your heart rate. Okay, so you can put in your heart rate, of what your max heart rate is probably. So how many workouts does this book hold? It says it covers 100 workouts, okay? So that's 100 days of work if you use 1 page per day. That's pretty good. Nice, and this book was what? Under $10. Pretty convenient to have. Back-to-back pages all the way. Plenty of room to write in. Write the notes that you need. All the way at the end. Even at the end, they give you some blank pages. So at the end, you could even write more notes that you have. Maybe a new exercise that you're trying to work out. Maybe a new fitness plan that you're trying to do. You could write in the back of this book just to keep it all in one place, you know. And the book is nice to have when you're at the gym, just so that in case you don't bring your phone with you, you don't always gotta be taking your phone out of your pocket or out of your bag. Just bring the book along with you with a pen or a pencil. Again, these pages seem really nice to write on, really easy to write on. Just feels like a normal, like 8.5 by 11 white piece of paper. And so there you have it. When you're tracking workout book here, again, it's nice and convenient to always keep track of your workouts, no matter what you do. If you're advanced, just starting out, it's cool to have nice kind of motivating graphic right there for you. Camo style on the front and the back. Fitness log book. Not too thick. It's about that thick. Again, tracks 100 workouts. Again, I'll link this in the description below. in case you want to check it out as well. Again, it was only under $10 here when I purchased it. Alright, there you have it. Nice fitness workout book. Let me know in the comments below what kind of tracker you use, okay? Whether you use your phone or another type of book, let me know. Alright, and if you haven't yet, check out the rest of my channel. I got plenty of workouts for you to do at home with minimum equipment. I got some indoor cycling workouts, some HIIT workouts, some core and stretch workouts. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And until next time, remember, stay fit, stay flexed, and I'll see you in the next video.